Here in front of me, I've got a Poprace model. There's also X-Car Toys on the box. Do not expect anything extra. X-Car Toys is only on the box, so Poprace can sell in China. As you can see, it's a 1/64 scale. My favorite scale to collect. It is a EVA RT test type 01 NSX GT3. And I believe it comes with an opening part, still wrapped in the plastic. Let's have a look at the box. We got some information. It is officially licensed by Honda. That is what we like. Here's some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. More text. Here we got the side with big Poprace on it. And here, a very cool robot. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, let's take the plastic off. Yes, still have to buy a new knife. And I have a very cool store in my neighborhood where they sell a lot of knives. So definitely going to buy a knife over there. In the future, you will see a new knife. Cool knife. Of course, I can do it with a kitchen knife, but I like knives and I like diecast cars. And that's the reason I make this video. Okay, this is really looking very good. I love all these colors and the paint on it is phenomenal. Shiny purple paint. I also like the yellow stripes here on the rims. Good rolling wheels, and we got Bridgestone on the tires. I like that. Here in the back, we got the red color on the rim, and it says Potenza on the tires, Bridgestone. Does it also says, yeah, same right here. Okay, then we go to the back. Big giant spoiler. Lamps, rear lights, and I believe we have the opening part right here. Where is the opening part? Or did I bought the one without the opening part? No, I believe. Hello. Okay, first we're going to look at the other side. It's pretty much the same. Yeah, I like this right here on the hood, air intake. I was expecting a robot on the car because there was a robot on the package. Did I miss it? And of course we have a metal base and slick rubber tires. Normal screws, I like that. Now, about that opening part. Yeah, it's definitely an opening part. Oh, maybe I can do it like this. Yes, there we go. And look at the beautiful details here. I really like the look of it. And I've said it many times before. I like new diecast because the techniques are getting so much better. And yeah, that brings us a lot of good details. Okay. Whoa, that feels like magnetic. Do you hear that? Yes, there is a magnet right here. Oh, that's cool. Thank you very much, Poprace / X-Car Toys. Okay, let me know what you think about this beauty, and don't forget to smash the like button, and I will see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye.